the most important steps that you can take if your insurance is canceled is number one, stay calm. Don't panic. Stay calm. Don't panic. Florida law does require them, if they're going to cancel you, they got to give you some time. Okay? Particularly if you've been in compliance with them for a long, say for instance you've been with them for 3 years and they're getting ready to cancel, they got to give you some time. Okay? So stay calm. Then you want to carefully review the cancellation notice. That's the next step. Carefully review that cancellation notice, because it can provide you some important details regarding the reason for the cancellation and any potential recourse available. The next thing is pick up the phone and contact the insurance company. You want to check, because sometimes automated systems send out letters by mistake.
Oh.
So you want to call and contact them personally, and you want to ask this question: was it just your home or all the homes in the area? Are they just withdrawing from the state, period? Okay? Because that's going to let you know whether it's the condition of your property or it's just a general cancellation. That company is just moving from out of the state. The next step is, now you've gotten some information. You've stayed calm, reviewed the cancellation order, you contacted the insurance company. The next step is, now I need to address the issue. Time is of the essence. Don't procrastinate. Okay? So you want to find out if it was in it for non-compliance on your part. You need to address those issues quickly. Most often, it's the age of the roof. If they single your house out and it's just not a general cancellation, you might have ABC companies say, we no longer going to service Florida, or we no longer going to service Orange County, and we withdrawing. So they didn't just mail you a letter, they mail 1,000 letters. But now if you got a letter and you find out, okay, it's the age of my roof, then you need to know that. You need to find out what is the age of your roof. Then you start seeking alternative coverage.
Can they cancel you for that?
Yeah.
The age of your roof?
They can cancel you for that.
Okay.
Because we have so many hurricanes, they know that if bad storms come through, it's more damage down the road. And as a homeowner, you have a responsibility to protect that property. So when you're letting the roof go old, you're being negligent. That's the way they look at it. So you need to carefully understand your coverage needs, get a good idea, remind your clients to consider their coverage needs when they start seeking alternative coverage. So another thing that's very important during this process is document your efforts. Every time you talk to somebody, you need to have your binder, a book, or something. Every time you talk with somebody, you need to be writing that down. I spoke with this person. I spoke with this person. I spoke with them about this. I spoke with them about this right here. Then you might want to call up an insurance agent, because a good insurance agent that works with multiple companies. So you have some insurance agents, they only work with one company. You got some insurance agents that are brokers. They work with multiple companies. Then you can also go and do an online application. When you do an online application, you're going to get multiple companies. Okay? So now you're analyzing. So now your final choice is that if you're still having difficulty getting it, is you can go with a state program. Here in Florida, it's called Citizens Insurance. That's a state-run program. The final step is to stay informed. Open all your mail. Open all your mail. You cannot ignore the mail. But you know what? It's a solvable problem. I get my clients, I get radio listeners call. I direct them to a couple of great insurance companies, agents that I work with, that work with multiple companies, and you can generally get the issue resolved. But you cannot ignore it. So you have it right there, the most important steps to take if your insurance is canceled.